Hello everyone, in this video I am going to talk about the concept of probabilism. So the probabilism concept was put forward by Spate in the year 1957, who is an English geographer. And this concept has evolved in the late 50s period, and it's also the time when quantitative revolution is slowly picking up. Okay, and basically this concept says that is of the view that although the physical environment does not uniquely determine human actions, it does however make some response more than others. So this concept is nothing but a midway between the stark environmental determinism of Hetzel and the radical possibilism of Laplace, Febrer and Carl Sawyer. So it is in the mid of the spectrum of the extreme forms of environmentalism and the radical possibilism. Also, according to Spade, human actions was represented as not so much a matter of all or nothing choice or compulsion, but a balance of probabilities. Some of the examples which Spade has used to explain this probabilism are like this. So when we take land use intensity, this probability of land use intensity in a plain, like in case of Satluj Yamuna plains or Ganga plains, decreases away from the market areas. Another example is like population density decreases away from a metropolitan areas. Okay, and also crop yield of a farm diminishes beyond a certain walking distance from the village settlements. So these are the general principles. These are the general examples. And of course, these examples are not ideal, and there are exceptions and limits which they hold true. And also, this kind of exceptions and limits demand an explanation. And this is the place where probabilism concept has come into picture. So basically, after this concept, probability theory came to be regarded as an essential component of geographical studies, since it provided a common mode of discourse for scientific study of landscape. And in the later stage, quantitative revolution has even further evolved from this concept. And the main criticism of this probabilism concept is this. There is a lack of complete knowledge about an environment and data about the resources, and this makes their utilization not very reliable. And if we compare with the developed and developing countries, in the at least in developed countries we may find little bit of information on the data, information or data about the resources. When it comes to developing countries, we hardly find anything. So this is not very helpful. Also, the perception of resources differs from space to space. That is, from community to community, from people to people, from country to country. They perceive the resources in different way. And also the application of due to this, the application of probability model owing to the above constraints may be difficult, and the results thus obtained may not be very authentic, close to the ground reality. So thank you.